Wow. This is when the customer is not really honest with over the phone estimates. Oh, it's not too bad. There's pet. Is there any pet problems? Oh, there's pet problems in here. Overall odor smell, and the carpet is just severely neglected. So I did call the customer up and let her know that price has to change. And she was surprised that I thought it was that bad. I'm not gonna do too much talking in this one, guys. I'm just gonna get it cleaned. This is a water damage, probably from up there, and they put baking soda. So I'm gonna do that area last, so I don't ruin my suction. I'm not happy. And then they didn't even vacuum. Oh boy. All right, all vacuumed up. Make sure, get around the corners, get all the debris out. And move outs is pretty much mandatory. You got that dust and stuff that builds up, filtration lines and stuff, and plus just debris that, from moving all the furniture out, all this stuff comes up. And I ask my customers to go ahead and do a vacuum and pick up all the junk, because we're not a junk removal service. I don't say that, but as politely as I can. It wasn't much big stuff, but still, vacuum would have helped, and I could have charged extra for that. But I did make sure I made it worthwhile on my pet treatment and stuff, so. All right, so this is peroxide. Treat this area first off. Water stains, and looks like some kind of furniture was left here too, so I'm not sure how well this is gonna come up. I just let the customer know that don't expect miracles. Get that real good with the peroxide. And I'm gonna go ahead and boost my pre-spray for the odor. Yeah, that's not gonna come good at all. Let that do its thing. Then I'm gonna hit these spots in here. Let that do its thing, and then I think they had a pet in here because it seemed like cat litter that was vacuum on it put in here. Sorry about the lighting too, guys. There's no lights. All right, for my deodorizer, I use citricide eucalyptus, and I'm gonna boost it with dissolve all. This is only 2 ounces per gallon. Love this stuff. Excuse me. So this has a strong citrus smell to it too, so it might counteract as far as the smell of the product, but that's going to definitely take care of the odor, and this will help with it. All right, so all pre-scrubbed. So when I'm doing a deodorizer, I like to actually scrub at least 90%, 80% of the carpet. You know, it's just most of it. Not like every, you know, I'm focused on every square inch, but overall rinse. I like to get that deodorizer mixed into the whole fiber all the way to the bottom instead of sitting on top. Smells good already. All right, so all the prep work is done. I make sure I do all the prep work before I even pull out the hoses. I just ran the hoses. Everything's, you know, every little spot I've addressed. So once I go across here with the wand, I'm not gonna have to keep stopping. If I do, very rarely to address a spot or a stain. Wow. Come on. I'm the goat. To get a little extra strength on here, a little spotter action of some scrubbing. Get that out. I'm not sure what that was. That was tough. Those are called dry passes, guys. Had a guy comment, thought I was cleaning like that. Come on, man. Really? That makes me think that they never did dry passes. What do you guys think? Yeah, that's not going nowhere. I'll treat it with this. It's some heavy duty spotter here. You know, I think it's wood or something that just sat there forever. Just coated the carpet. Yeah, I ain't get it going over, guys. Yeah. Bummer. But if you know me, it's not easy for me to walk away from a challenge here or anything. I'm gonna go through my spotter kit, and I'm not sure what's gonna do this, but right now I'm gonna use some Magic Bullet. You guys that use in Cap Store may have heard of that. Okay, it's a little area. I don't want to waste it all. It ain't gonna work. A little better. It's a little better. Dissolve for like paint oil and then polish. Yellow stuff. I don't like yellow stuff, but if it works, I love it. Nope. Now next up, paint oil and grease remover. This, I don't like this stuff. It stinks. Chem stuff. Get the Pro Chem, guys. If you, they sent this to me instead of the one I ordered. John was dropping the ball. Kept sending me wrong orders, wrong products. Stuff not getting to me. I don't know what was going on. Somebody in the warehouse was really, and I let them know that. So I think somebody in your warehouse may not be able to read. No, I didn't say that, but I said they're dropping the ball. Yeah, can't do nothing about it, guys. I used oxy, peroxide, let it dwell, hit it a couple times, paint oil, grease remover. There. Beautiful. Back over there, as you can tell, I got like 90% of it is gone. I can't spend any more time on it. I used the kitchen sink. I used everything on it. I even used some leather cleaner. Just plain. This was empty. I put some tannin product, Matrix Tannin, and it seemed to help it out with a little dwell time. So I let it dwell as long as I can and treat it a few times. I'm done. But man, it does not look like the same carpet, does it, guys? Man, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe, comment. Give 2 likes if you can. But so, give me some love, guys. All right. Anyway, I guess that's it for this one. This is a real life carpet cleaning, right? Sometimes you run into stuff like that, but it's good because then you learn your products, what to use. And when you're first starting out, you're gonna run into this type of stuff, and you're gonna pretty much know what to spot, what to stain, what to treat it. Very rarely. 99% of the time, I don't run into anything like that. If you're priced right too, that's gonna help. But I think I did something like this maybe a couple years ago. So anyway, usually it's easy, or I know if it can be removed or not. But yeah, all right, see you in the next one.